You know what's better than this car? Absolutely nothing. You might be thinking, well, what about a nice hot pastrami sandwich? Wrong. What about Ana de Armas? Wrong. What about Ana de Armas holding a pastrami sandwich? Okay, I'm only human. Wow. God bless America. So what do we got here? It's a 1966 Plymouth Belvedere. And you might be rubbing your greasy little mitts together thinking, ooh, it's a Hemi. Well, it's not. And that's why I like this car so much. It was an everyday driver back in 1966. And as you've noticed, this thing is fairly original. Even though it's not a Hemi, it does have the second most powerful engine available in the Belvedere that year, the Commando 383. This thing had a compression ratio of 10-to-1, 325 horsepower, 425 torque. Gosh darn it, this car looks like it's been running a train on a pack of Newports, and I love it. This one's got a drag race friendly 3-speed automatic transmission, 410 gears, and when the driver was sitting in this monster, the thing weighed in at 3,840 pounds in total. 1965 Ford Galaxie 500
XL.
There were quite a few engine options available in this car, anywhere from a 246 cylinder all the way up to that monstrous fire-breathing 427. This one's got a 390. It's 300 horsepower, 427 torque. But what makes this car infinitely more fun is that 4-speed manual. Outback is 411 gears, and then when the driver sat in this car, it was 4,300 pounds.
I think this is a 4-speed car, don't quote me. It is, it's been confirmed. Scott Wiltsey has a 66 Belvedere. What does he usually race here at this event? Scott Wiltsey, what does he usually race here? No, the left one really. My bad. So Scott wins.
The Ford got a red light, so the Plymouth takes home an easy win. Let's see what happens in round 2.
Scott Wiltsey from Lake Michigan has a 66 Belvedere 2 going against Wesley Alsop.
And it's the Ford that takes home the win in the second round. With things tied 1-1, let's see what happens in that final race.
Up next, we have the 65 Galaxie with a 394 speed. I think this, maybe this is a police interceptor, the 330 doors. Maybe.
In the final round, the Ford takes home the win in the best of 3 title. Huge thanks to the owners for bringing out these cars. They're absolutely awesome and big. And come on, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel. I'll see you guys at the next video.